Hello there, wizards. It's Mr. Suska. I created this video to accompany you in completing assignment number 13, Critique, Correct, and Clarify, Energy in Motion. All right, so your main prompt for this activity or for this assignment is to construct an argument to explain the role of energy in our previous activities, okay? So in the previous activities we did together in class or in Zoom was rubbing our hands together at different speeds. Remember, we rubbed our hands slowly and they felt a little warm, but when we moved our hands together really, really fast, they started to get really hot. We heard a loud noise from rubbing our hands together, right? And the next investigation we took a look at was dropping a ball from two different positions on a track. So we dropped the ball from the middle of the track and saw how many pennies it knocked over. And then we dropped the ball at the top of the track and we saw how many pennies it knocked over. Okay. And so energy was involved in both those investigations. And so your job is to construct an argument to explain the role of energy in both of those. Okay. But before you construct your own argument, we're going to take a look at someone else's. So the first step in your assignment today is critique. So we are going to analyze the claim below. So this is the claim right here. Kinetic energy is the type of energy involved in both investigations. All right. So your job is to identify any errors or things that aren't clear within this claim. Okay, and you'll write those down right here. Maybe they weren't specific about the type of energy. Maybe there was actually two different types of energy going on in both investigations. Maybe this is an incomplete claim. Any of those things, right? You'll write those right down here. Next, you are going to write your own claim, right? You're going to improve on this claim here, and you're going to write it in the box down here, okay? So in your claim, you're going to explain the role of energy in our previous investigations, the two one where we rubbed our hands together and the other where we dropped the ball at different positions on a track. When you are completing your claim, make sure to include the following scientific terms and ideas. Transfer and transform. Remember, energy cannot be created nor destroyed. It can only be transferred between objects or transform. We talked about kinetic energy, which is energy in motion, the word motion, and temperature. All right. So make sure that when you talk about or explain the role of energy in our previous investigations in the claim, you support your argument with data and observation. So what did we see in our investigations? What data did we collect? All right. And you'll leave that here. Now, if you're having trouble getting started, I provided you with some sentence stems, and this is located in the same Google Classroom assignment. And these just kind of help you along the way. So use those if you need to. All right. And then lastly, you're going to describe how you went from this claim here, right? You took this claim and you improved it, you corrected it. And so you're going to explain how and why you corrected the claim, right? We're going to think about what process we went through. All right. If you have any questions, please email me. In the next class, I'll be showing you an example of a completed claim with evidence and reasoning. So if you're having trouble with this today, give it a shot, try your best. But we'll be looking at this again very soon. Alrighty. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day.